This Faceless YouTube channel makes $800,000 a year posting 3D documentaries, and I just figured out how to clone their entire workflow using only AI. Look at this. Over 4 million subscribers in less than 365 days. And this cinematic 3D animation, I generated it in under 60 seconds without knowing a single thing about 3D design. If you have a laptop, you can build this today. Listen, most people think you need to spend 5 years learning Blender or After Effects to create content like this. If you are still manually keyframing animations, you are wasting your life. Automated AI channels are stealing your views and targeting high-paying US audiences right now. Today, we are completely replacing the 3D designer. Step 1. The setup. These documentary channels go viral by covering history, mysteries, or true crime. We are going to make a video about John Titor, the infamous 2036 time traveler. Open ChatGPT and tell it to act as a viral documentary writer. Ask it to write a 10-minute script with highly descriptive visual prompts for every single scene. Step 2. The secret prompt. You can't just ask AI for a picture. You need that specific 3D polygonal look that gets millions of views. Take the scene description and plug it into this exact prompt formula. Once ChatGPT generates the image, we bring it to life. Take that image to Leonardo AI, click Video Generation, and use the Motion 2.0 model. Set the camera control to dolly left. Hit Generate. Boom. Smooth, professional 3D camera movement. Step 3. Monetization and assembly. To get that sweet global AdSense money from the US and India, your production needs to sound and feel premium. Generate a hyper-realistic voiceover in ElevenLabs. Then, drop everything into CapCut PC for a fast assembly, or Adobe Premiere Pro if you want to add heavier effects. Layer your voiceover, cut the dead space, and stack your Leonardo 3D animations on top.
But to make the YouTube algorithm fall in love with your video, you need to mix 3D visuals with fast-paced motion graphics. Look at this final result. We combined our AI voice, the 3D polygonal animations, and a cinematic soundtrack. This looks like a Netflix documentary, and it was entirely generated by AI. Listen to this. To get high RPMs and actual views, you cannot upload this to a brand new channel. You will get shadow banned. You need an aged YouTube channel and the exact prompt templates I used today. I put all my secret prompts, the 3D formulas, and a massive folder of viral sound effects into a free blueprint. Click the link in the description down below to grab it right now and start building your empire.